Hey guys, I'm back with another video for Beauty in the City. So today I'm just going to start off with my serum, my vitamin C serum. Just apply this all over my face. Just take this small amount and just rub it in. It smells really good. It smells like literally orange. It smells so good. Then after that, I just take my Beauty in the City Lash and Brow Serum. I just put this all over my lashes, and my eyebrows, so they could just grow all the time while I'm doing my makeup. You know, have to have healthy brows, of course. So just go over. Then I like to put some on my bottom lashes.
So sweet, I can't wait to have another taste. Have to drive by just for you. How bad I need you. You move
Make sure you get close. Just like this. Go-to product, of course, Lash and Brow Serum from Beauty in the City. Go get yours. You have to get it. This is an essential for me. And then I also like to have like a really glossy lip, so I always like to put this on my lip right before I go out or do anything. I put this on my lip just like that. This is like an essential for me as well. Like Beauty in the City got it. Like makes my lip so shiny. And I love it. And it really has like no color. Like as you can see, it has no color. But I like my lips like really awesome. It's like a palette. Then I like to go in with my own MAC concealer to get under my eye. So I like to take this and I go in with like a brush that looks, can't find my go-to brush. So I'll take a brush that looks like this, I guess. I can't find my go-to brush. So strange. And I'll just go in under my eye like this and apply it, and do the same to my other eye. Just like that. And I'll just apply a little more. I don't want to put too much so I don't look too orangey. Just like this. You know, I just like to put them on all my dark spots. And one right here. Then I have some on the top of my forehead that I really hate, so then I'll just take some more and put it all over the dark spots that I have. Apply some to my forehead. Just like that. And then while I do the rest of my face, I like to just set what I put on. Like, I like to set everything. So then I'll take my powder and just set everything that I just put on. So right here, under my eye, under this eye, and my forehead. Just like that. So then while this sets, I'll do the rest of my face. And I just like to brush out my eyebrows. Even though I don't apply anything to them, I like to just brush them out so they can all look even. Then I'll do the same to here. Just brush them out. Make sure they all look even. Just like that. So once that's done and now everything is sitting, I like to put some powder actually like on my smile line so nothing creases. So yeah. So I'll have that sitting, and then I'll go in with some of my Beauty in the City. Another essential. This is the Beauty in the City Mascara. My go-to. So I'll just put this on all my bottom lashes. Just like that. Keep going. And you can just apply as much as you like. I like to apply a lot because I like a really like dramatic look to my bottom lashes. So I just keep applying a lot. Just like this. So look at how dramatic my lashes look now. So you can already see them. So this is like my go-to product. I love this product. It like brings out the lashes that you didn't even know you had. Seriously. Then I like to go in with my Beauty in the City Shimmer Spray. So I'll just shake it a little. And then I'm about to go to the gym. So of course I want my whole neck to be like really, really shiny. So I'll just spray and just rub it in. Just rub all this in right here. I actually spray a little more because I'm gonna, like, everything's gonna be out because I'm gonna be in the gym. So I'll just spray some on my shoulders so I can have like that really glossy look. Great, you can already see the sparkles. Look at the sparkles coming through. So cute. Then I'm gonna go in with my Beauty in the City. This is the highlighter. Look at the highlight. Amazing. I'll take a brush that looks like this actually. But first I'll just like put it on my nose. Just apply it first, like just dab it as so. And then actually I'm gonna go in with a different brush. I'm gonna go in with a brush that looks like this so I can really like swirl it around. And just like swirl it around my nose so the whole like bridge of my nose, top of my nose can get highlight. Look how pretty. Just keep swirling and swirling so you can really see the highlight. Love it. You could also take this product and put it like right here. Like I know some people like put glitter there, so I like to do it too. So I'm just gonna put some right here, like right under my brow. Just like a hack. Just take a brush that looks like this and then just like go right under it and apply it, and you can really see it. It's really cute. So cute. And then I'm just gonna wipe off all the excess powder I have on my face. Go in with my beauty blender, swipe off all the excess I have. Because I like a really matte face. You know, I don't like to look like oily and greasy. Do the same to my top of my forehead where I put all the powder. Then lastly, I'm just going to go in with a little Beauty in the City bronzer. And I'm just going to put some on my finger actually. And just apply a little bit right here. Right here. And that's it. That's the look. Hope you guys enjoyed my Beauty in the City look.